This Weathersmith update is sponsored by Alliance Maintenance. Alliance Maintenance Inc. excites our customers by creating a clean and orderly place to work.
Hello, everybody. 6 o'clock or just after 6 o'clock, Monday, May 4th. Welcome to Weathersmith. I have the door closed because Charlie's talking to everybody today. All right, let's switch over to. Let's just start out with core and then we'll work into the radar. How about that? So currently, look at that. We're finally just about all of us are in the 70s now, and we'll continue to drop through the night. I did want to point out this dew points. 55, 60 degrees, so we're just right where we need to be for some severe weather. It's not overly severe, but definitely a few isolated. Looking at current winds, everybody's in the 20, 25, no more 30s on the map finally. But winds are out of the north, blowing to the south. All right, Storm Prediction Center. We have a marginal risk for severe weather today. We'll look at this on the model in just a moment. Main threats are hail and damaging winds, and then tomorrow that shifts to the south of us. All right, going to the local model, the core model. We'll wait for it to load. It should have already loaded, but hey, what do I know? So this is going to be very late evening or late night into the morning period for this severe weather event, or rain in particular. So we'll play this through here. This is 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, 8 o'clock. We start seeing some showers develop to the west of us. 9 o'clock, 10, 11, midnight, we start seeing bulk of the severe weather starting to impact portions of the far western viewing area. Earlier, the last two model runs had this scenario here. So just take things with a grain of salt. Forecast is still changing. All right. So that's midnight, 1 a.m., 2 o'clock, 3, 4, 5. It's out of here. So previously we saw some regeneration of storms. That doesn't look like it's going to happen now. We see that main wave work its way through. I see just a lot of wind with this, maybe some areas of hail, especially on the back side where we have those peaks. So we'll have to watch that and see how that progresses. So that gives us an idea. So by 5 in the morning, it's out of here. So our bulk of precip, southeastern Kansas, let's say 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. northeastern Oklahoma, let's say 11 p.m. to 2 a.m. and then southwest Missouri, midnight to 3 in the morning. And then we're good. All right, no severe weather tracking tonight, unless it's still going on when I'm getting up around 1:30, 2 o'clock, then I'll be on here following things. But that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic evening. I will talk to you all tomorrow morning. Be safe.